Welcome everyone! Here is how you use emojis and stickers inside of FaceTime in your iPhone. So I'll first cover Memoji, then I'll cover the emoji and sticker reaction. So if we want to use Memoji, you're first of all going to tap your preview at the bottom left. Then tap the Memoji option and just choose the emoji you want. So I'll choose the unicorn, and this iPhone on my left will be the preview of what the other person sees. And so when you point your iPhone to the camera, you can now see, if I tilt my head, you can now see the Memoji showing up, and it even like tracks you, you know, it tracks really everything. It's pretty cool. Now, if you want to use the emojis and stickers, to the right of Memoji, you have this reactions option, and you want to make sure this is white. If you don't see this here, instead, you can swipe down from the far right hand side, and then just tap on controls, and then you have reactions here. Just tap this one to turn it on. Once this is turned on, you can do certain hand gestures, and then those will show up as reactions on the other person's side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my camera again. Now these reactions are a little bit finicky, so just keep that one in mind, but I will try and do all of them. So the first one, let's load up my preview here. The first one is a thumbs up. So if you just do a thumbs up, you can see, just look at the iPhone there, you can see the thumbs up reaction. All you can do is 2 thumbs up, and it should launch fireworks. There we go. So it gives you that nice fireworks effect. You can also do a heart, and it should draw loads of hearts. That's my first time ever doing that. You can do 1 thumbs down, and let's try that again. Thumbs down. And there we go. It uses the thumbs down effect. You can do 2 thumbs down. And clouds and rain should show up. It is struggling a little bit. I know if I'm like, my thumbs are weird. You'll just have to trust me on that one. One more time. Maybe I look insane, but it should show clouds and rain. I couldn't get it to work there. Now, if you use the peace sign, there we go. You can see balloons will show up. Now, if you do 2 peace signs, I'm going to try and get this one to work. There we go. Confetti showing down right there. There's one more. I just want to try the thumbs down one more time. But it's just not working. Then you also have the rock on sign. So your pinky finger and your index finger. So pinky and index, go like this, and then do it on both hands. And it should launch an effect. One thing I would like to note as well, while I try and do this, maybe I look a little bit dumb, but one thing I would like to note is I'm using a stand. I'm not quite sure how you would use these effects if you didn't have a stand, because you need both hands. Actually. Oh my goodness, this is a little bit frustrating. I'm going to cut until this works. There we go, it started working. You can see that reaction there. So just put your hands like this. This is what I'm doing. If you look at my face cam, I had to put it into landscape mode. Let's try thumbs down. There we go. Now everything is working as expected. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful. Thank you. And if you did not find this video useful, just leave any questions, any concerns. Did I miss something? If I did, let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.